Hey guys, so today I'll teach you how to get a Monopoly Go mod with unlimited money and dice rolls. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So basically, what we're going to do, I just can't get into the app, is go onto our browser, and we're just going to go over to this website called ZooMods. So let me just type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Monopoly Go, and you should find it, and then just press on it and it will download. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification you have to do. Basically, you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it, so let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, so it's almost done, so we'll just give it a second to load up. So as you'll see, it's going to make us do a verification. So you can see it says, please install 2 apps, and there's going to be around 4 of them. So just pick an app, press tap to install. I'm on an Android, so it's going to bring me to the Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store, and you just have to reach the instructions. So Misplay says down and play 4 games for 5 minutes. Pogo says down, install, run, valid info. Now bear in mind, guys, each app can have different apps depending on where you live, so you're probably not going to see these ones. But anyway, after you do 2 of the apps, you should have the Monopoly Go modded version installed. It's a one-time verification, and as you can see, I got 18,000 dice rolls and 18,000 coins, so it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is super crazy. It totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and peace out.